Hey guys, thanks for checking out Style Universe, and today's video is a review about Taft Ultra Wax. It's gonna be a review where we will show you how the wax looks like when you apply it on your hairs. And so first of all, I'm just blow drying my hair. So for the perfect volume, I'm using my blow dryer. It's not an ionic nor a ceramic blow dryer, it's a normal one which I'm using to give my hairs a good volume. Okay, after blow drying my hair, I'm applying a little bit of Taft wax, and you should be very careful when you apply this wax. You should not apply too much wax on your hair. I'm just rubbing it in my hands so it's totally uneven to apply. Now I'm applying my hair wax in the front and the back of my hair, and you should be careful because this wax is very oily and it can just damage your hairstyle. It can ruin your hairstyle because it's a heavy wax. You should not apply too much to your hair, and just a little bit, just a pea-sized amount, and after that you have to style your hair so it looks good. I'm styling my hair. It's a good wax that holds your hair in the place and it's not like locking your hairs like a spray gels do. But it's a far more better option than Gatsby because it gives you a shine, and it's better option than Gatsby. As you can see, my hairs are shining, and this is all from wax.